Hi guys, I'm Jasmin Anleet. I'm an upcoming medical graduate from Gullas College of Medicine and I'm coming from Kerala, India. As an upcoming medical graduate from GCM, I can attest that college is not a place where we can only acquire knowledge, but it is a place which shape our character and our resilience. So for the upcoming medical aspirants, I think Gullas College will be a great choice. As a student from the college, I can tell that the college not only provides you with great academics, but also with great facilities. So when it comes to the climate, a tropical climate here, which is more similar to India, and also about the fee structure, it is very much affordable. So if you really want to be a doctor, GCM will be a great choice. Thank you.